For English this week, we turned in papers for Robert Louis Stevenson. I have to be completely honest with you. We had 5 out of 10 students turn in a paper. I have told them that we have to be very mindful as we come up on these breaks, that we're staying diligent in our task and making sure that we're doing our work. So this next paper that we're doing is going to be extended all the way until January with the way that our breaks line up. So in class today, we went over MLA format again, how to do it, what it looks like. There's an example in your book. We also went over a bibliography, how you write it, how you center it, how you italicize the titles of the book, how you put the author, how it's in alphabetical order. There's also a page in your book that talks about how to line up a bibliography. So when we come back in class in 2 weeks, the students are to bring a name of a historical figure, someone who has passed, who made an influence that they want to write their paper about. They need to bring in at least 3 sources talking about this historical figure, internet sources, actual books, actual articles that are printed off, and a rough draft of their bibliography. So when we come to class in 2 weeks, we're going to work on compiling their fused outline to put their papers together, and then their final paper is going to be due week 15, which is when we come back in January, on January the 13th. So let's start fresh. Let's start working on this paper. We came up with some ideas in class of who we want the historical figure to be, who they picked. So have your historical figure, have your sources, at least 3 sources, have the rough draft or the beginnings of your bibliography, and then start working on your topics for your paragraph. Do you want to talk about their childhood? Do you want to talk about their faith, their religion, what motivated them? Do you want to talk about the impact that they left on the world? Figure out what topics you want to talk about. That way, when we come to class in 2 weeks, we can formulate working on putting our paper together, so it will make it easier for them. All right, bye guys.